Dwight Cliff here with Cliff Construction. Back here at the garage build. We just got the roof on. As you can see, we use strip edge on the end. Also gutter apron along our edges for the gutter to go at to help protect the wood from the rain and weather. If without that on there, the water will get to that and rot it out faster. Okay, so we got that on. Got our wrap on to keep water off our wood. Well, even if you put the side on, you want to protect your wood, the exterior, with this wrap here. All right, let's go inside, show you where we at now. All right, so we're coming on in. So we got our utility door in here, which is our main door comes in. Also we got the garage door trimmed out for the main car where the vehicles come in at. Also we got on this garage, we got a utility opening here that's made for like riding lawnmowers or motorcycles or whatever is too big to come through the main door. Also on this particular garage door, in most of our garages, we use cedar trim to cover our edges up with where the door is going to go at, because it's a lot better material. It lasts longer, it won't rot as fast, it paints up good. So it's a good, a nice material to use on your door openings for longevity. All right, we'll come back and let you guys see when we got our doors in, our siding on, and painting and gutters. Till next time, see you.